We have a 2012 Hyundai Sonata that we want to add a key to. This key does not work, and this key right here is the one that works. So we want to get the key code first. First thing we do is we read the key, and then we click down to clone it. It's a 2012 Hyundai Sonata. We want to use the key tool, and we're going to snip. So what we're going to do is we're going to take, this is the original key. You can only do it when you have a working key to the car. You're going to put it inside here, inside the slot with the sniff tool. We'll put the sniff tool right there, and we'll push this button inside. Perfect, you saw that. And then we're going to take the key back, and we are going to calculate. And as it calculates, we're going to go on the tool, and we're going to go to 2012 Hyundai Sonata. Key program. Hyundai. Sonata 2012. And we are going to keyless. Ignition is off. Click OK. Open and close the driver door. OK. Click OK. Connecting. Program keyless. Put the programming keyless into the slot. Okay, so what we want to do is we're going to go right here, and we're going to click this right here to get more, and Hyundai password. Click OK, and that's the password, 767718. Now we have the old key, and here's the new key, and we're going to put that inside the slot right there, and it's in there. Okay, we're going to click OK, and we're going to put the code 767718. 7 6 7 7 1 8. Input value, okay. Communicating. Success. Program next one. And Hyundai's, you gotta add everything at once, I believe. So we're gonna just put the next one inside, and we're gonna take the original key. We're gonna take that out, and put that in, and click OK. Alright, we're going to click escape. All done. Success. And let's test both keys out. Take the original key out, and we're going to test it. That's working. And we're going to take the key that we just made right here and test that out. And that's also working. So no password needed. Making a 2012 Hyundai Sonata. Smart key. Start the car. Alright. Thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe. 2012 Hyundai Sonata using this tool with the VVDI. No password needed.